Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. I didn't mean to make a fourth one, but one of my big time subscribers that I think watches every video already replied that step and repeat would work. And I thought about step and repeat, but I don't really think it's as fast as the way I did it in the first two, but we're going to go to step and repeat. And you have it offset horizontally, and we'll put offset 0.5 millimeter. And but this is you have to say no offset vertically. And we need 4 copies, so we only need 3. Click on your item and then you hit that. What did I not say? Oh, maybe space between 0.5 millimeter to the right. So there you go for that. Then you grab this, but you've got to go turn this off and then turn this one on and then change this number, which we have to change in the other one. And since it says copy, we're going to just say 4. So that's relatively, I mean, that's good to know to be able to do that. But because if you don't do that and you have this, you get this pattern, which is cool. I've used that before when you want to do something like that. But I don't, and for the one that left me a message on the video, I appreciate your comment. And maybe somebody didn't know about step and repeat, and it will help them in the future on something else. Anyway, I hope that helped somebody someday, and thank you for watching.